she's on. Hey. Hi guys. Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Auntie. Today is Wednesday guys, and tingnan nyo, kami ay twinning today. Say twinning. Say twinning. Today is the 28th of June. And yes, of June. Put the shoes on, okay? So we can go. Of June. So alam niyo ba, today is Mommy and Daddy's anniversary. 7 years of being together. Togetherness. So Ate Paris natin guys, wala dito ngayon. Lola Karen took her out. So magla-lunch daw sila sa Hawthorne. Hala, this is broken naman dahil lang. Hala, naunsa na yung mong shoes. Come here, babe. I'll fix it. Mommy and Baby Celine are going to return the keys to the agent today. Yesterday, ay naiwan namin yung key dito sa loob ng bahay, guys. Again, kasi walang komunikasyon na nangyari. Kaya naiwan yung key dito sa loob. Buti na lang, open yung real estate agent. Tinawagan namin sila. Binarrow namin yung key. So last time kasi, nung na-lock out kami, nung si Daddy Mike yung naiwan niya yung key dito sa loob, ay Sunday yun. So close sila. Kaya hindi namin nakuha sa kanila. That's why we had to go to, call locksmith para mag-open ang aming door. But yesterday, nahiram namin yung key. So, ayun. But we have to bring it back today. Kaya, yun yung gagawin namin ni Baby Celine. Isn't that right lang? Fix your picture lang, babe. And ito din siya ay very sleepy na. So, she is going to fall asleep in the car. That's for sure. Yan. So, wala kaming celebration muna ni Daddy Mike today. Kasi, this weekend, pupunta kami ng Byron Bay with Mike's mom. So, we're going to stay there for a few days. So, yan, doon kami mag-celebrate. Diba na? But tonight, meron tayong lakad din kasi it's my cousin's birthday today and my dinner. Sasama natin yung mami ni Daddy Mike doon, guys. So, maano din niya, mahalubilo din niya yung family ko. Knock, knock. Come on. Let's go, Very. Hello. Hello. So, sobrang daming ganap today. After naming i-drop yung keys pabalik doon sa agent, ay pupunta kami ng shops kasi bibilhan ko yung pinsan ko ng regalo niya for his birthday today. And then, we have to be back here before 4 kasi merong swimming si Ate Paris at first time nating isasama yung lola niya doon sa swimming class niya. So, hectic ang schedule today. Ito yung key. Ayan, sa uli natin. And also, kanina pala, nilahan ako ni Daddy Mike ng bulaklak. And here's the flower. Nilagay ko na siya sa vase, guys. Ito yung favorite ko na bulaklak, diba? Ayan. So, ilagay lang siya sa vase, guys, para humaba ang kanyang buhay. It looks very nice. Ayan. Super lovely. Daddy Mike's working from home today. Daddy, happy anniversary, Daddy.
Yeah, that's all right.
Where is Leanie? Abu! Ay! Come on, let's go. Let's go! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bing, bing. See you. Okay, we'll see you later, okay? Okay? Dah lagi. Give Daddy a kiss. Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Love you, princess.
See you later, alligator.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Ati.
Let's go.
Oh, dog.
Ati's with Lola.
What's the dog?
Star. Come on. Andito tayo ngayon sa Westfield Mount Rabat. Ayan. So, ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog kanina, guys. So, I think she is still sleeping. Transfer ko na siya sa pram. So, dito tayo maghahanap na ang bibilhin natin na regalo from my cousin. And, I get something for Daddy Mike as well. Para sa aming anniversary today. But first, kakain muna si mami nyo, guys. Yung mga pang men's nandun sa baba ata. Kakain muna ako ng Vietnamese soup while tulog ang ating baby Celine. Kasi gutom na ako, guys. And yung aking favorite na bunboy ay nandun sa other end of the shop. So, hopefully, hindi pa magising si baby Celine. Kasi pag nagising ko, naku, hindi tayo makakain ng maayos. Dito ako pumunta kasi sobrang daming mapagpipilian, guys. Daming shops. Tagal ko na rin hindi nakapunta dito kasi there's no need naman talaga. And also, like 17 minutes lang siya na drive from the tawag dito? From the agent kung saan namin sinauli yung keys. Ayan, my coconut juice. I love this one, guys, kasi meron siyang meat. Yeah. Yes, my spicy beef. Chili ko more. Kain tayo, guys.
Few moments later.
Dito na kami ngayon sa swimming ni Ate Paris, guys. Celine is playing with the rocks. Hey! 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 Ayan, ang lola ni Ate Paris. And Ate Paris ay nandun na. Next level na sa Ate Paris, guys. So, nandun na siya na side. Asan na siya dyan? Ayan, oh. Oh, take pa more, oh. What is that, Lynn? What did you do? Hey! Turn around, turn around. Hey. Whoopsie. Whoop, whoopsie. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Tingnan nyo, guys, meron pa akong swatch, aha. Kaya nasa shops, pumunta ko ng makeup store. Nag-swatch ng lipstick. Iba naman pala yung nabili. Bumili ako ng makeup setting spray tsaka makeup brush cleaner. Bilisan ako ng lipstick, guys, eh. Hindi na, $60 man. Yayay man sa bulsa. And I don't really need it, no? Woo!
Mommy.
Be, water? Look, very hard, look. There you go. Whoa. Getting wet. A little bit more. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung mga napamili ko, guys. Bili ako ng mga damit na susuotin namin tonight. Yes, sweetie. Woo. Woo. There you go.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama, please.
Water.
Yeah.
Very hard, man. Very hard to push.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama, please.
Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga napamili ko, guys. Ito yung binili ko from my cousin. Nakita nyo na to kanina. Ayan. Lakers. Los Angeles Lakers in size large.
Wait, is this half spelled like his?
Yes.
Lakers?
Yeah. That is right. This is 42 Prince.
Oh.
I can't believe it's like 36 minutes going there.
What's that? Oh, we've got to go.
Yeah.
It's a long way.
Yeah.
How many?
I think these two will be asleep on the way back.
That's for sure. They always do that. Yes. Princess.
My is a long way.
This one.
That hairband that I just had here.
Yes, my love.
Do you see where it went?
Up.
I had a hairband. Oh, it's on my hand. It's alright.
Ooh, this is very tricky, honey. Probably have to cut the bottle. See? It won't come out. Mama will cut the bottle.
Ma, what's in there?
Toothbrush. Happy?
Mama,
Yes, sweetie. Go.
what's in there?
Mama got the thing for brush. You want the bag? You can have the bag. I've got brush cleaner and spray. And what else? Ito yung ipapasuot siya sa mga kids. Looking for under the sea. Under the sea.
Look.
Teka, banching ko to sila guys. Kada isa. Ate! Bili ako na plain white lang na shirt nila. The same name. Twinning silang dalawa. Twinning si ate tsaka si Celine.
Mike, can you give me the trophy? Mike, I want that to be my present to Tito Prince.
Ayan, kay baby Celine.
Celine.
We can make a party bag.
Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung suotin ko ha. Mamaya na kasi nandito ang kanyang background. We'll keep the paper bags. I'll gamit ko siya later. Magre-ready na kami ngayon guys kasi punta na kami sa dinner. Actually, mamaya pang 7 o'clock kasi 7 o'clock pa matatapos sa Daddy Mike. So, i-ready ko lang yung mga kids.
The baby is always clean.
There you go.
Under this.
Mommy! Baby! Baby!
Mama, papers.
What is it lang?
I mean pencil.
Pencil? It will be under the drawer. Oh. Thanks, Mom. Be careful there, anak.
Whoa.
Oh, boo-boo. The baby has got boo-boo.
Yes. Oh dear.
We're here, guys. Diyan kami pupunta, oh. Ariala. Yeah. Alam niyo ba na wala kami, guys? Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, uwi na sana ako. Ang hirap kasi dito kasi kapag na miss mo yung isang turn, ay talagang kuyok ba? Okay. Sa Ariala restaurant, it's buffet pala ito, guys. Go lang. Alam, dami mga tao eh.
That balloon, that's where it is.
Where?
The bills.
Which balloon? That's Joy. Joy.
Joy.
Ang daming tao. Oh, no. They're there already. See? Look, go lang. There, happy birthday to you. Mwah. Hi, Anton. How are you?
Good.
Nagkaon na mo tanan, Joy? Nagkaon na mo tanan?
Second na nila.
Third naman ka. Tanawa, oh, it's all over you. Na. Friends! For you. Ano, wala na balot-balot. Diretso na.
Ate ka. Dito rin nun. Gulang.
Galing. Hi, sweetie. Cute. Did you bless Nanay Christine? Huh? Did you bless Nanay Christine? Huh? Nanay! Kiki. What else? This is mine. Have a look at the food. We'll have a look here.
Anti-money laundering, counter-terrorism financing. No customer interaction. So he would never have to be in that type of environment where. You're doing it.
Huh?
Yeah, finish your chicken lang. Andun pa yung iba guys.
He doesn't want to move into another position without knowing that there are opportunities.
Yummy.
It's something like he can.
Yeah. Look. We got marshmallow and chocolate. Marshmallows only. Thank you.
Where's the marshmallow?
Wow. What's that?
Marshmallow. Dad!
Guys, that when we just left. Happy birthday to you. We'll just sing from here lang.
Should I even sing?
It's finished. Come. We'll have this marshmallow. Another one.
I'll do it now.
I'm going to one.
Okay.
Please.
Put the plate down there lang.
Please, Paris.
Paris, put the plate down lang. Dito, Daddy. Wow. Yes, lang, Ling. Another one, Daddy, please. Yeah. Yeah. There's the birthday boy, guys. 16. Wow, sweet 16. Wala, Paris, may pakialam. Picture sila daw. Si Paris, kao na. Paris. Picture pa more.
Hey, you wanna come here?
Vlog mo yan. Uy, vlog mo yan.
Smiling like Fergus. Smile, smile to the camera.
Hi, I'm Ken Wick. My cousin is John Wick.
Bullying it nga bata.
You want cake, Paris?
Ay,
You want cake? Huh?
na, Paris daw.
You want cake?
Paris doesn't want cake.
Let's ask Prince because it's his cake. Prince, can you cut your cake, please? Paris. Oh, never mind.
You know.
No, you go like that. Okay.
Are you the birthday boy? Ah, wait. Practice.
Hey,
Practice sa inyong saan pagkat, be? What's wrong? What is going on?
Those are the slices, baby.
You're so tall. You're so tall. Oo, Ling.
Hey, good job.
Ah.
Go, baby.
Oh, oopsie.
We're practicing, remember? Hello, baby. Did you have ice cream?
That's the side.
So bakit man blurred ang aking camera? Wipe. Better.
You should get the 360 camera.
What is that? What is that?
No, it's like you don't need to angle it anyway. Because it just
Ah, it will just, yeah. Is the quality good though? Like, is the quality good?
Yeah, no, I saw it and I was gonna buy one. But it was $700.
How much?
$700.
That's not bad. Here we go. When I bought this one, it was like, it was on sale already for $8.50. This one.
You got shots for two
Yeah.
on side and came on.
That was
What
on
the
sale.
happened?
And the lens also nice.
Yeah.
This is the pocket. Why are you gonna put it here? Oh what?
Oh no.
It's the next pocket.
What did you do?
Kadugay ba kaya na, Joy? Paspasi ba? Grabe kayo. It looks really good. I feel like on the... Yeah. Mama, who's that holding you? Who's that holding you? Daddy will carry you because Mama's got jackets. So thank you for carrying, Tito. Huh? Uli na kata? We'll see you next week. Gani lagi. Next week. See you, Tito. Take care. Drive safe. See you.
Bye.
Bye-bye, go.
See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All good sa next weekend.
Yeah.
Maybe
Never
Friday.
get. Oh, yeah, just let us know.
Kabalo ka usa ka dag bulan.